Right, where were we? Click the Landscape tab in your Modes window. I will be using default settings. Click Create. Under Layers, right-click on Height Map and import the height map you just exported from World Machine. I've done something wrong, but I will be ignoring this warning. What the fuck has happened? Oh, I see, the values are outrageous, right? Well, this is not what I was expecting. Let's squish it down a bit. Enhance. Unenhance. Shed some light on this fuckery. So from here I'm just going to make a basic material to use on the landscape temporarily, just to get a better visual representation of what I have absolutely fouled up. Let's speed things up a bit. Until next time.